Hey everyone! If you love building, tinkering, or even just dreaming about making your own furniture or projects, today's video is for you. I'm talking about TedsWoodworking, the well-known 16,000 woodworking plans package. Now, instead of rattling off a sales pitch, I want to walk you through what it actually is, what it gets right, what to be careful about, and whether it's worth your time and money. A few years back, I was helping a friend build a custom bookshelf. We had a plan from a woodworking magazine, and honestly, it left us hanging. Missing measurements, assuming you owned special tools, and gaps that forced us to improvise. The result? Extra trips to the store, wasted wood, and way too much guesswork. That's the exact frustration Ted's Woodworking claims to solve. The idea is simple. No more vague plans, no more guesswork, no more frustration. So, what do you actually get? According to the official page, you're looking at access to more than 16,000 detailed woodworking plans. These aren't just sketches, but schematics, step-by-step instructions, and material and cutting lists. The promise is that whether you're a beginner with just a saw and a drill, or a more advanced woodworker with a full shop, you'll find projects that fit your skills and tools. The projects range from small crafts to outdoor sheds, from furniture to workshop fixtures, covering just about everything you might want to build. On top of that, they throw in some bonuses: CAD plan viewer software, a collection of woodworking guides and videos, the option to request custom plans, and even a woodworking business guide if you want to turn your hobby into income. The package is currently sold for a one-time payment of $67 with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try it without too much risk. Now, let's talk about what I think actually works here. First, the sheer volume and variety. 16,000 is a huge library. Even if only a fraction are excellent, that still leaves you with hundreds of solid projects to explore. Second, the fact that they aim for all skill levels makes it attractive to both beginners and more experienced builders. Third, they promise lifetime updates and new monthly plans, which adds long-term value. And fourth, the bonuses can be useful, especially the CAD viewer if you like to tweak designs, or the business guide if you want to start selling your work. Finally, having a money-back guarantee through ClickBank does give some peace of mind. But, and this is important, you should know what you're getting into. With such a massive collection, the quality will inevitably vary. Some plans are detailed and clear, but others may feel dated or poorly organized. Navigation can be clunky. Lots of big PDF files with indexes that aren't as user-friendly as they could be. And while they market heavily to beginners, some projects still assume you have a certain set of tools or know-how. Also, the bonuses, while nice, can sometimes be a little lightweight. The business guide, for example, might inspire you, but won't replace a full course. And one more thing. The sales page leans heavily on urgency and limited time offers. That's classic marketing, so don't let it rush your decision. Compared to alternatives, here's the deal. Free woodworking plans online exist, but they're scattered and inconsistent. Books and magazines often provide more polished plans, but you'll only get a handful at a time. Paid memberships might give you access to curated libraries, but usually with ongoing fees. So the real question is, do you want a giant library with the good, the bad, and the messy all together? Or do you want a smaller, curated, possibly pricier, but more consistent source? If you're excited by browsing, experimenting, and having lots of choices, the $67 investment could pay off quickly. But if you only want a single perfect plan, you might be better off buying just that one separately. So, do I recommend Ted's Woodworking? My honest take, it's not for everyone. If you enjoy sorting through a big library, finding inspiration, and you're okay with the fact that some plans will be less polished, this could be an excellent resource. If you expect every plan to be flawless and ready to go, you'll probably be disappointed. Personally, if I bought it, I'd immediately test a handful of plans, print them, build something small, and see if the instructions actually help in my workspace. If they do, then it's worth it. And if not, well, that's where the guarantee comes in. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm planning to do a follow-up where I actually build something using a plan from this package. That way, you'll see the real results, not just the promises. In the meantime, let me know in the comments. What's one woodworking project you've always wanted to build but never had the right plan for? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.